Let's move on and get you an EBIC Stash News alert coming in. These pictures are from Mumbai, where posters of French President Emmanuel Macron were seen strewn on the roads and vehicles, running over his posters. Remember, this comes at a time when there is anger against the French president over his recent remarks on certain terror attacks that have taken place in France. Meanwhile, you have the BJP spokesperson firing potshots at the Maharashtra government, questioning the Uddhav government over these posters and the disrespect that is being meted out to the French president at the time when France is fighting against Islamist terror. Even to that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had tweeted where he had strongly condemned the recent terrorist attacks in France, including the heinous attack in Nice inside a church. And he said, our deepest condolences and heartfelt condolences to the family of the victims and the people of France. India stands with France in the fight against terrorism. सत्य प्रकाश is with us to get us more details. सत्य प्रकाश, इन तस्वीरों के बारे में जरा बताएं. प्रोटेस्ट बहुत जगह हो रही है, लेकिन सपोर्ट भी बहुत ज्यादा मिल रहा है.
जी हाँ, ये मुंबई के भिंडी बाजार इलाके में ये पोस्टर लगाया गया है. जो सड़कें हैं, सड़कों पे पोस्टर लगाया गया है. राजा अकादमी, जो कि मुस्लिम समुदाय का एक संगठन है, और ये पोस्टर लगाया है. ये विरोध कर रहे हैं. इनका कहना है कि हम इसलिए पोस्टर लगाए हैं कि जो लोग नीचे से जाएं, पैदल जाएं या गाड़ी से लेकर जाएं, तो इसको चलते हुए जाएं. इस तरह से इनका एक अलग तरीके से विरोध करने का प्रदर्शन किया गया है. लेकिन एक राष्ट्राध्यक्ष, जो कि फ्रांस के राष्ट्राध्यक्ष का इस तरह से अपमानजनक इस तरह से तस्वीर लगाना कहीं न कहीं गलत है. जिस तरह से इनको परमिशन मिला है, सवाल उठते हैं, क्योंकि मुंबई पुलिस की देख रेख में है. क्योंकि वहाँ पे जो जे ब्रिज है, वहाँ पे पोस्टर लगाया गया है, और वहाँ पे सामने ही मुंबई पुलिस स्टेशन है. फिर भी इस तरह से वहाँ पोस्टर लगा के इस तरह से हरकतें की गई है. जी.
All right, thanks very much, Satya Prakash, for joining in. So many of those locations across the country where protests are being planned, but you have the Prime Minister who has condemned the terror attacks. In fact, many of them that has been reported in the last 1 month itself in France, and has said India strongly stands with France when it comes to fight against terrorism.
Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami, and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.